Question 1. I'm going to zoom in here so we can read it a little bit easier. And question 1, here we go. It says triangle HJK is graphed on the coordinate grid. Triangle HJK will be transformed using the rule XY transform to negative XY to create triangle HJK with the apostrophes, which is going to be your transformed triangle right there. The question says which graph represents triangle HJK. They don't give us the transformed image, so we basically have to use the rule. Now, it doesn't say it anywhere here, but this is a reflection question. All right, I'll just type it right over here. Reflection. Because of the rule. If you can remember the rule, we talked about it a little bit before we took the assessment, but if we write down this rule real quick, x to y is turning into, transforming to negative xy. What ends up happening is it's going to transform probably over the y-axis. I'll go ahead and show you a quick example of that, and then we'll zoom out and find the answer. Now, what we want to probably do, if we want to prove that this works out, is find a coordinate real quick from that triangle we're giving. So like, let's take coordinate h. H is pretty easy to find right there. I put an orange dot on it. Coordinate h is at, or h is at coordinate 2, 1, 2x, and I think it's at 3y. It's 3 spaces up, 1, 2, 3, yeah it is. So I'm going to erase that out. That is where the regular coordinate is at for the triangle. Now, when it gets transformed, and it's going to be a reflection, what's going to happen there, if we take this and use the rule says it's going to go negative x, y. That's the rule that we have right over there. That means, what do? We take the x, we make it a negative. So now it's a negative 2, but the y stays the same. The y, I was about to write a y there, stays as a 3. And that'll be the new coordinate point. Well, where is coordinate point negative 2, 3? Well, it's going to be right over here. Negative 2 spaces over, 3 spaces up, and it's going to be, it's kind of tiny, I apologize for that, but it's going to be in that section right over there. That will be the new h, right over there with the apostrophe, for what's going to be the transformed image. Now, all of these, I don't have to plot all 3 of them. They're all going to graph in this quadrant right over here. So, like I said, if we zoom out, you got some graphed answers real quick. Sorry, the writing doesn't really zoom out all the way like I want it to. So I'm going to erase out real quick. Let me erase out all the way real fast over here. I zoomed out. We know we want something real fast with quadrant, in quadrant 2, really. It's going to graph right over there. And it's not that one. Nope, not that one, not that one. It was the first one, A, is going to be the best answer there, because that's going to transform, transform using a reflection that's going to move it over into the negative x, positive y area of the quadrant.